It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 26th of July. I'm Michael Groff. I can tell you all about how we're going to see cooler temperatures and an increasing chance of showers and thunderstorms in coming days, but you're probably not going to believe me when you step outside this morning. I don't know if I'm going to believe me, because when I woke up at 3 a.m. this morning, it was still 100 degrees outside. I've never seen that in all the years, 36 years of living in Phoenix. Incredible. All right, let's get out there and talk about it. First, yesterday in the Valley, a record warm low temperature of 93 degrees, a record high temperature of 116. No rain in the bucket. We're almost 2 2/3 inches behind where we should be on our rainfall for the year. And outside right now, at 6:10 a.m., we've got mostly cloudy skies in the Valley. It's breezy out there. And 95 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 59, humidity 30%, wind northwest at 10. Barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning. Just about everybody is in the 90s. Wow. Cool spots way up there in the North Valley, Northeast Valley. They're just barely in the upper 80s. All right. Radar this morning across the area. A few showers, maybe a rumble of thunder out there. A big MCS across northern Mexico last night. It's dying out, and we're still seeing plenty of mid and high level clouds. And yes, a few isolated showers, so we could see those through the morning hours. Water vapor satellite view. Well, there's that MCS across northern Mexico, southern Arizona, the remnants of that anyway. Otherwise, high pressure, the dominant weather feature still across the west. And our unusual trough continues over the east. The watch warning map, our excessive heat warning is gone, but we still have an air quality alert in effect for the valley for elevated ozone levels. Excessive heat warnings continue to our west, across western Arizona, southern Nevada, and much of California, extending up into the Pacific Northwest. Meanwhile, some flood advisories continue in parts of the middle Atlantic states. Convective outlook for today, a marginal risk of severe storms, parts of the Rockies and around the Great Lakes. Parts of Arizona in the green, so scattered thunderstorms possible. Rainfall for the next 7 days, courtesy of the WPC, around 1/4 of an inch here in the valley, and rainfall rates really coming up across the southeast part of the state, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches down there. And we'll get into the details of our weather now as we check out the models and see where this takes us. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at about 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. High pressure still in control here in the southwest. Upper heights down a couple of decameters over where they were, but still above average. So, down at the surface, we'll see plenty of clouds this morning. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. So yes, you could see a few raindrops out there, but I think most of us stay dry. We'll see the sun peeking out later today, though. High temperatures still hot, 108 to 112. Some of the guidance suggests we could even be a degree or two warmer than that. I think we stay away from the records, though. Tonight, a slight chance of evening showers and storms. I think if we see anything, though, it'll be mostly blowing dust and some gusty winds. And then tomorrow, more of the same. Partly sunny, slight chance of a late afternoon and evening shower or thunderstorm drifting off the mountains into the deserts. Blowing dust, the biggest risk, but a few spots could see some locally heavy rain. Saturday, somewhat deeper moisture comes in as high pressure sets up a little bit further to the north and east. So a mainly easterly flow aloft, allowing some showers and storms to drift into the deserts in the afternoon and evening hours. We'll go with a 30% chance of storms for now, and the models are hinting at some type of disturbance out here. It's a little early to call that. Mesoscale features like that, we generally can't see those more than 24 hours out, but certainly that's possible. So high temperatures, cooler still with increasing humidity, generally in the 103 to 106 bracket. Sunday, if Saturday turns out to be an active day, I think Sunday is less active, but a lot of clouds around. High temperatures 100 to 103, and still a slight chance of showers and storms. As we head into next week, partly sunny skies, a slight chance of late afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms will be with us as a general low to moderate grade monsoon continues. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Difficult to pick out which of those days will be the most active, but you know how the monsoon works. One day more active, the next day less active, and it ping-pongs back and forth. Let's go to a week from today. This is Thursday, the 2nd of August. Going to use a highly technical term to describe this upper pattern. Weird. Baggy troughing all the way down to the Gulf Coast, another short wave across the northern tier states, and our ridge here in the southwest generally disorganized. Maybe a little bit of drier air tries to filter in, though. but still isolated showers and storms possible over the mountains and high temperatures right around normal, 101 to 105. Let's go ahead to the end of the forecast period. This is Saturday, the 4th of August. Still an unusual pattern continues. The westerlies a bit further south than normal, troughing over the northern plains and the Great Lakes, another little short wave over the southeast U.S. Our ridge becomes sort of a bifurcated ridge with a center to our east, one to our west, kind of stretched out. There could be some a pretty broad deformation zone that forms between these for at least a chance of showers and storms. I'd characterize this as at least somewhat unsettled for late next week into the following weekend, but this is 10 days out, so a lot of time to keep an eye on this situation. Let's take a look at the temperatures coming off of the European ensemble through the period. It's got us all the way up at 114 for today, and while that's certainly possible given how warm the day is starting out, I kind of think we're going to be a couple of degrees shy of that. And then temperatures trending downward thereafter. Maybe we could get a day with highs under the century mark, depending on clouds and moisture this weekend or perhaps next week sometime. We'll see. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Your comments, questions, suggestions, always appreciated. And of course, if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe, stay hydrated, stay cool out there, and have a fantastic Thursday.